videos. LTASE. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Wombi's diarrhea sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are really long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Oh, hi. Untold Loneliness Oswald at your service. I'm gonna test the farting sound effect from Star Night. It's from a video called, God damn it. My phone is ringing again just like in episode 4. I need to see who's calling me right now.
Hello there.
Oh, Hayley, it's you.
Hey, Oswald. Guess what? We're gonna get married on IRL Noella's 18th birthday.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing.
I know, tell me about it. Okay, I'll be going right now.
Alright then, I'll talk to you later, bye.
Bye.
Oh, that lovely Hayley is so cute and adorable. But anyways, back to the video now. It's from a video called, Farting on at P0, 1 Sun 0 USGH 0st. The cute music will be removed at the beginning and end. Oh, I need to use my tummy muscles. I need to take some deep breaths now. Ah, better. Ooh, I still need to finish my business. I feel so much better after using my tummy muscles to poop. Besides, I had a phone call with my lovely Hayley, saying that we're getting married on IRL Noella's 18th birthday. Oh, I almost forgot. The sound effect starts at 0:07 and ends at 0:25, making it 18 seconds in total.